Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has sufficient power. A weak battery causes erratic settings. Once confirmed, locate the mode and adjust buttons around the bezel. Press mode repeatedly until the watch displays the time with a flashing element. This is the entry to time setting. Now press and hold adjust for 1 to 2 seconds to lock in the setting mode. Don't release too early or the watch will exit. This puts you at the first adjustable field, usually seconds or hours, ready for precise edits. Once in setting mode, you change fields with mode and modify values with start/stop or +/ buttons. To set minutes and hours accurately, press mode to cycle from seconds to minutes to hours. Each field flashes when active. Tap the change button for single increments or hold it down to fast skip through numbers. This saves time when moving across hours. Make sure to account for 12-hour versus 24-hour format. If the watch shows PM, advance past 12 to toggle. Continue until to finish, press adjust once to save changes. The flashing will stop and the watch returns to normal time display. If the time still seems incorrect, try resetting the module by removing the battery for about 10 seconds then reinserting it. This clears glitches. Once done, make sure AM/PM and any daylight saving settings match your zone, because those toggle differently on some models. Finally, if hands or digital readouts remain off, consult the manual for model-specific calibration steps or repeat the process carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.